Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Black Ops 6 if it's not launching on Steam. Alright, first thing you need to do here is to go ahead and go to your taskbar right here, right click on a blank space and click on Task Manager. Now once you're in here, maximize the window. Next is to go to the Details tab right here, click on it and locate Steam. Alright, right here Steam, right click on it and simply hit on End Process Tree. Again, hit on End Process Tree. Alright, as you can see here, there are no Steam related applications running in the background. And when you hover your mouse into the taskbar right here, the Steam icon is gone as well. Now what you're going to do next, if you have the Steam application in your desktop, just go ahead and right click on it and simply click on Run as Administrator. If you don't have it there, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in Steam. And there's a Run as Administrator button right here. Just go ahead and click on it and check if it helps. Alright. Now if that won't work, you're going to want to double click on the Steam app to open it. Alright. And log in with your account. Once logged in, hover your mouse into the top left right here and click on Steam. Go to Settings. Go to Downloads. Alright. Clear cache. Wait for the process to finish and don't launch the game yet. Close this one. Open your library. Locate the game. Right click on it. Hit on Properties. Then go to Installed Files. Then simply hit on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This one will take some time. Just go ahead and patiently wait. Once it's done, run the game from here and see if it helps. Alright. Now if that won't work, you might want to try to update your graphics drivers. To do so, go ahead and go to your search bar and type in Device Manager. Click on this one right here. Wait for it to load. Just locate Display Drivers. Click on it, then right click and simply hit on Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. Once done, go ahead and restart computer, boot up the game and see if it helps. Now if that won't work, another option for updating your graphics card driver is by opening the GPU software. Alright, for example here I'm using an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm going to go ahead and right click on it on the taskbar and either open up the NVIDIA app or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. If you have Intel or AMD CPU, just go ahead and look it up online on how to install or update your respective graphics card drivers. Alright, going back to NVIDIA. Once you're in here, just go ahead and click on drivers and make sure that you have installed the latest drivers for your GPU. Alright, for example, you had the problem and you have made sure that you already have installed the latest drivers. You might want to try to again reinstall it. Alright, just try it out. Maybe the last update was problematic. You might want to try to reinstall the graphics card. After that, restart the computer, boot up the game, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, what if none of the workaround helps? Well, it's time to contact Activision support for further information and assistance. And that is it. I hope this video helps them. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.